Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this easy 1960s outfit on Dress to Impress. So for the hair, I just use this hair. You choose whatever color you like, and I also selected this headband in this color 930A3C. I'm just going to adjust it later to the pattern. For the top, we're going to use this top in this pattern. So we're just going to apply it to... Wait, I don't think I used that one. Hold on. Oh, actually I did. I just need to save the skin color. Well, let me just save the skin color first. Get this top and then color it that pattern and then color the rest your skin tone. Oops. Hello. Like so. And then for the, can I not change the oh, I can't change the texture. And then for the bottom, I'm just going to use this. And then I'm just going to color it the same. And then I might just color the bottom part using the one that I had just now. I think it's like more pinkish actually. And then for the gloves, you can use the gloves from outside of VIP, but I'm just going to use this one in all white. And then I'm just going to get the shoes in white. And that is it. You can add like a necklace if you'd like to, like this one, but that is optional. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!